Look at the board. My dear students, this is English class for class 10. I hope you follow us about our information. When we provide any information, I hope you should follow all the information. Students, look at the board. I wrote here cloze test about English grammar. In your question paper, there are some questions about English grammar, and the question number 1 and 2, these are called cloze test. Here are two types of question. Number 1 is cloze test with cloze. This is number 1. And number 2, cloze test without cloze. Now I am discussing about question number 1, cloze test with cloze. In your question paper, you will get there a box. In the box, there are some words. Suppose I am giving an example. Suppose forces what are objects? Full. This is a box. And there are some words. At best, 8 words are enlisted in the box. Forces what are objects full. Here are 4 words. You will get 8 words. But students, you have to understand the question. First of all, you should read the question. Question number 1, the question language is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. From the box. You may need to change the forms of some of the words. You may use one word more than once. That means fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. You will get some words in your box. First of all, you choose any of the word to fill the blank, and if you want to change it, no doubt at all, you will change it easily. You may need to change the forms of some of the words. Suppose you found the word get. It needs to be changed into got. So you will put the word got in your gap. Of course, you may use one word more than once. When you fill any word from your box, if you want to write second time that word, so no problem. Suppose I am giving you an example. I hope you will note down in your notebook. That is road accident. Road accident is a regular I am writing again. The world is a of uncountable natural and man dash objects. From the before box you will take two words. This is a passage. In your question paper you will get such type of passage, and the passage will be consisted of 10 gaps, from A to Z. You will answer serially. You should read in this way. The world is dash is full of uncountable natural and man made objects. So I have taken these two words full and made from the box. In this way you will solve this gap. And when you will perform all 10 gaps, then you will hope to get full marks. That means for every gap will get 0.5 into 10. That means you will get 5 marks. Total 5 marks for 10 gaps. So students, now I hope you have understood better. Now I am discussing another question number 2. That means question number 2. This is clues test without clues. I am giving an example for you. Suppose road accident. Road accident is a regular phenomenon in Bangladesh. Many people die. Number B dash road accident. Dance every year. In such type of passages you will get on your question paper, but there will be no clues to fill up the passage. This is the same to number 1, but something different from the number 1. Number 1, you will take words from the box. There will be available words on the box, but question number 2, clues test without clues, there will be no words available on the box. Of course, there will be no box. So, you should fill the gaps from your memory, from your knowledge, from your learning knowledge. So, you have to write this way. Suppose number A, this is arrow mark. Number B, number A, road accident is A dash, I put here a regular phenomenon in Bangladesh. Many people die. This is A. Die by. This is preposition. So students, you have to fill all these things in this way. So every day for performing number 1 and 2, you should practice three types of information from your grammar book. Suppose you have to practice number A, articles, prepositions, parts of speech, of course these two types articles and prepositions will be priority for performing these two types of test. Every day you should follow, you should practice, you should read, study regularly articles, prepositions, parts of speech. When you perform all these things, then you will test yourself and check the answers yourself. And students, every day you should sit down for a study, and for 1 hour. English is an international language and this is our second language. We communicate by English, so we should learn English regularly. This will be need for our communication and our examination. I hope you have understood all the things. Students, today I am discussed about clues test with clues and without clues. I hope you have understood better. And every day you should follow the text items from your grammar book and will note down on your notebook. I hope you will stay at your home. Hope you will save free, safety and healthy. Thank you for all.